Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Gagawa naman tayo guys ng Isuzu to guys, signal light, walang signal light guys. So may isa-isa ko ng fuse guys. Ito yung sa sarja guys, wala. Hindi umilaw yung guys, walang hazard guys. Signal light din wala, naka-on yung susi. So gagawin natin guys, tatanggalin natin to guys. Ayan, tatanggalin natin to guys. Na guys, yung sasad guys, ayan, titesting natin to guys. So itong yellow, yun, kahit to may positive to guys testing natin kung may supply guys ito guys, mayroon siya supply guys. Tapos yung isa guys wala. Ito yung papuntang fuse ito hanapin natin sa fuse guys wala guys. Yan guys, mayroon ito guys, wala. Ito mayroon, ito guys wala. Signal light, okay, wala guys, signal light. Nagarin natin guys. Guys natin guys ayun, pumutok. Dating gawin guys yung pinagbabawal na technique, at saka pag matagalan na to guys, papalitan din natin ito mamaya ang bago guys. Jumper lang jumper lang muna tayo. Kabit natin guys, tapos testing natin ulit ito yung sa baba. Yun, mayroon na guys, may supply na yun, pupunta nga sir dyan. Ngayon, paano nyo malalaman kung sira ang hazard switch? Ngayon dito, titesting natin guys. Ito try natin dito guys. So papunta dito sa handle, sa signal light mismo. Yan, dito guys. Okay, testing natin guys Hello guys, yun, mayroon na guys. Signal light